In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to DApps. By the end, you'll know how to install the Coinbase Wallet browser extension, connect it to a decentralized application, approve the connection, and confidently review and sign transactions from your desktop. First, install the extension. Open your Chrome browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Coinbase Wallet and select the official browser extension. Click Add to Chrome and confirm. Once it's installed, pin it so it's easy to access. Click the puzzle icon in the top right, then tap the pin next to Coinbase Wallet. Pinning keeps the wallet visible on your toolbar so you don't have to hunt for it later. To make this simple, I've placed the official download link for the Coinbase Wallet extension, along with a sample DApp link, right at the top of the description. Use those links to avoid fake pages and always double check you're on the correct site before connecting your wallet. Next, navigate to the DApp you want to use in your desktop browser. For example, you could go to a DeFi platform like Uniswap. Open the DApp's homepage and give it a second to load. If your DApp supports multiple networks, make sure your wallet and the DApp are set to the same one, such as Ethereum mainnet, so everything lines up. On the DApp, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right. Click it, then choose Coinbase Wallet from the list of available wallet options. If you see multiple providers, just select Coinbase Wallet specifically. A pop-up from the Coinbase Wallet extension will appear asking you to approve the connection. Take a quick moment to review the site name and the permissions it's requesting. If everything looks correct and you recognize the DApp, click Connect to approve. This simply allows the DApp to view your public wallet address and request actions. It does not give it control over your funds. From here on, when you interact with the DApp, like making a swap or confirming a transaction, the Coinbase Wallet extension will open a transaction panel. Carefully review the details, including the asset, amount, network, and any gas fees. If it all looks right, click Confirm or Sign. If something seems off, cancel and double-check the DApp and network settings. Approve only what you understand. That's it. You've installed the extension, connected to a DApp, approved the connection, and learned how to review and sign transactions safely. If this was helpful, don't forget to use the links at the top of the description and practice good security habits. Thanks for watching.